What's up, guys? It's Koichiro here, and we're here with Cool Cat and Leopard.
What's up? It's Leopard. Link in bio. Sub to my channel. Yas.
All of our channels are in the link.
Mystery Murder Queen. Yas.
Yas. So, tomorrow we're gonna have such a lit video. You guys aren't gonna know yet, but you have to wait till tomorrow.
Surprise. Oh yeah.
Even she doesn't know it.
Yeah, I know.
She doesn't really. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be something you've never seen before. It's not gonna be gaming. So, it's gonna be something else than gaming. So it's not going on this channel. And so we're gonna do it on Cool Cat's channel or my channel. I thought it was just gaming. It's called gaming. I don't never see game YouTubers do other stuff. Like gaming channels. So, it's gonna be awesome. And it's the first one that we are gonna make, and it's the first one that you guys are gonna see us do, because we never done this before. It's gonna be special. She sees the murderer. Repeat. She sees the murderer. Repeat. She sees the road. She sees the murderer. Repeat. She sees the murderer. Okay. I like your hat.
Yes, I won.
She won.
Yeah.
She won. Yeah, baby.
And I won 8,800 XP.
Wow. Yes, Sunny. Yes, worker. So let's see what I have. I have 71, so I could get this comment box. Unlock. So.
Where can I see my coin? I'm a noob. Where do you see your
So. Ooh, look at this gun I got. I got a green gun. Oh no, I did something. No, exit. Now I can't change this. I had to have this for everything. No. Now I'm blind. I'm blind. I'm blind. Leopard, look, I'm blind. Oh, yay. So, it's gonna be awesome. It looks like I'm the only one who died. No. Yay. It's her. Yay. Go. I am recording. It's a girl the murderer. I'm recording. Cool Cat. I'm just making sure she knows. Okay, I'm just making sure. She said, "Oh, hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube." Oh my gosh, did you hear all those cracks? Ha. Wow, it looks like she's dead. So. It looks like he's recording too. Me too. What is your channel? What's your channel? What's your channel? Yep. And then my user. And at the and this vid. Then my sis can put your YouTube in the bio in this vid. Okay. What is it? What is it? So we're seeing his YouTube channel. Get a paper if he really says it.
Yes, I want it. And I got 100.
Wow, Cool Cat always like thinks people are lying when they're making videos. Wow. So I think he's actually lying because he's not like telling me. But if he is, then I should get a paper. AG, I died from you.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I did not know that.
You killed me too.
For real?
Yeah.
You should have told me.
I didn't even know you were the murderer.
But I told you, I was like, hey, Snap, I'm it.
I didn't. Like once you killed me when I didn't even know. You killed me when I didn't even know. Wow. I died. I think she has red hair with a suit on, or a yellow suit on. Okay? With red hair. Like in those ponytails. So, we are hopefully gonna win. I'm actually so bad at this game. Especially when I'm the sheriff. But when I'm the murderer, I'm not that bad. I wanna do those extreme flips, but I can't. I had to glitch first. This looks like a piece of concrete that fell on the ground. Cause I know how that looks like.
Yep.
Experience. So, don't forget to wait. Did I tell them to subscribe yet? Oh, subscribe to my channel, hit those notification bells, and like this video and tell in the comments I did it, and then I'll shout you out if you do it. If you do it. So, yeah.
Yes, I found a box to hide it. This is my ultimate hiding spot. Now I know where to go on this map.
Huh? So, oh snap. He's creepy. Yeah. Yeah. It'll be crazy if he put in the eyeball. So. Maybe. I don't know. That's That's weird. Oh, my mouse just fell. Got it. What the heck? Lisa, fly! Fly! Yay, she's flying. Oh no, where did she go? Fly! Oh man. Leopard 1. Yay! Leopard said, "Yeah, I was not killed." Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This isn't working out. Guys, I like Cheetahs, and I've named myself Cheetah because we were doing the cat theme, so I named my child Cheetah because I like cheetahs, and that's why. So people call me Cheetah, and they don't know. I have a gun. Yay!
Hey, where are you?
What? Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, but where are you?
Mm-mm. Yeah. I'm getting a coin. I'm not sure. I didn't check. I'm gonna go somewhere where you could find. It looks like cat.
Wow, you're pretty.
Thanks.
What about me? Yay, I love it too.
That's not you.
Oh, thank you.
Hi.
I heard the gun. I'll say
Jenna, have a gun.
actually, no, stay right here. Stand right here where I am.
Jenna, murderers don't kill with guns, they kill with knives. Oh, hi, Cheetah. Hi.
I swear, one of them is murder. If I
Oops. I did that wrong. I clicked by accident.
That was Alyssa.
Wait, I actually killed the murderer.
That's awesome. High five. Oh yeah.
Yay, I did it. Yay, I did it. I was the sheriff. Oh, I was the sheriff. Look how I look at. I'm scared now. Okay. Because you're not it. You're not in the movie. Hello. Oh, that's you. Okay. Hi. Hi. I like your goggles. They make. I like your goggles. They make you look like you're a bug, like a beetle. A cute beetle. No, the roof is too small. See? How did that person get in there? But I can't get in there though. What? I'm getting money. Yep. So, the video's about to end now. So don't forget to subscribe